Hello everyone, this is Nidhi and you can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in. And today we are going to discuss the topic on Operation Greens scheme. Under this presentation, we are going to see a small introduction about the scheme and their objectives, strategy of the scheme, and finally the pattern of assistance under this scheme. First, we'll go with introduction. In the budget speech of 2018 to 19, a new scheme, Operation Greens, was announced on the line of Operation Flood, and the outlay of the scheme is rupees 500 crore. This scheme is announced to promote farmer producer organizations, agri-logistics, processing facilities, and professional management. This scheme seeks to stabilize the supply of tomato, onion, and potato crops and to ensure the availability of tomato, potato, and onion crops throughout the country round the year without price volatility. The scheme was extended during June 2020 to cover all fruits and vegetables, that is total of all agriculture and horticulture crops, for a period of 6 months on a pilot basis as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industry has launched the scheme, and the nodal agency is National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, and this is the reason for implement of price stabilization measures. And the objectives of the scheme, there are totally 5 objectives under the scheme. First is enhancing value realization of tomato, onion, and potato farmers by targeted interventions to strengthen tomato, onion, and potato production clusters and their farmer producer organizations and linking or connecting them with the market. 2. Price stabilization for producers and consumers by proper production planning in the tomato, onion, and potato clusters and introduction of dual-use varieties. Third is reduction in post-harvest losses by creation of farm gate infrastructure development of suitable agro-logistics, creation of appropriate storage capacity linking consumption centers. Fourth, increase in food processing capacities and value addition in tomato, onion, and potato value chain with the firm linkages with production clusters. Setting up of a market intelligence network to collect and collate real-time data on demand and supply and price of tomato, onion, and potato crops. Next is strategy. The strategy will comprise of a series of measures as decided by the ministry, which include short-term and long-term price stabilization measures. First is a short-term price stabilization measures. Ministry of Food Processing Industries will provide 50% of the subsidy on the following 2 components, namely transportation of tomato, onion, potato crops from production to storage, hiring of appropriate storage facilities for tomato, onion, and potato crops. Second is long-term integrated value chain development projects, capacity building of farmer producer organization and their consortium, quality production, post-harvest processing facilities, agri-logistics, marketing or consumption points, creation and management of e-platform from demand and supply, management of tomato, onion, and potato crops. Next is pattern of assistance. The pattern of assistance will comprise of grants in aid at the rate of 50% of the eligible project cost in all areas, and the maximum amount is rupees 50 crores per project. However, if in case of professional insurance agent is a farmer producer organization, the grant in aid will be at the rate of 70% of the eligible project cost, and the maximum amount will be rupees 50 crores per project. Eligible organization would include state agriculture and other marketing federations, farmer producer organizations, cooperatives, companies, self-help groups, food processors, logistic operators, service providers, supply chain operators, retail and wholesale chains, and central and state governments and their entities or organizations will be eligible to participate in the program and to avail financial assistance. The applicant fulfilling the eligibility criteria under the scheme is required to submit the online application on Sampada portal of the ministry attaching therewith complete documents. Thank you. You can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in, and the PDFs are available in the Agri Learner application, and the link for the application is provided below in the description.